Hello everyone, I'm a software engineer working in China. I make this video because I'm hitting a milestone I never thought I'd reach. I'm unemployed for 3 months from last year, November. In the beginning, I did everyone does. I polished my resume and sent out hundreds of resume applications, but no responses my resume. And more scary, the 3 months gap, a career gap in China, is seen as a red flag. Most of private company human resource will outfilter those resumes with career gap. I'll give up. It feels like if you get off the treadmill, it's impossible to give back on it. It's very, very scary in China tech market. The job environment in China is honestly brutal, because we have plenty of oversupply of talent. About 12 million new graduates enter the workforce. But only the 1/5 of them will find a suitable employment. Every year, 12 million of graduates. And there's someone like me. I'm 35 years old. In our tech culture, a 35-year-old is invisible threshold. Everyone knows it, a 35-year-old threshold. I don't know what I'll move next. I'm disappointed.